It's now time to correct our spiral math review. We're doing day 2 for Tuesday, March 31st. We need to draw hands to show 4:45 on the clock. So my hour hand is going to be pointing at the 4, and actually because it's 45 minutes past 4 o'clock, it should be even closer to the 5. So I'm going to draw a short hand here that's in between the 4 and the 5. And then 45 minutes, that's my magic number. I should already know where on the clock is 45 minutes. I know the 9 is 45 minutes. So my minute hand could be pointing at the 9. Mia went for a run in gym class. What time was that at? So we're looking at the hour hand, the short hand first. It looks like it's in between the 10 and the 11. So it's not 11 o'clock yet. It is still 10 o'clock. And for the minutes, I already know it's 15 minutes when it's at the 3, so I'm going to start counting from there. After 15 comes 20, 25. It is 10:25. Now, would that be AM or PM? We know we wake up around 6 or 7 a.m., so this would be after she's awake. That would make sense. We know lunchtime is at 12 o'clock p.m., so could this be right before lunch when she's in gym class? That could make sense. Would 10:25 p.m. make sense? Now we're talking about usually you go to bed around 8 p.m. So this would be after going to bed. Would that make sense? No. So it needs to be a.m. On the next, we shade in all of the hexagons. If you remember, hex equals 6 sides. A hex is 6 sides. So let's count. 1, 2, 3. Not that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is a hexagon. And of course this one would be, and this one would be, because they're all the same shape. Let's count this one over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nope, not a hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, not a hexagon. It needs to have 6 sides. So let's count this diamond shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That one had 6 sides. It is a hexagon. And now this watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one has 6 sides, so we're going to color that one in. Okay, the rectangle, we need to partition it into 4 rows and 5 columns. So rows go side to side, and if I need 4 rows, I'm going to draw 3 lines. Try to make it even. 1, 2, 3. Now for 5 columns, those go up and down. And I draw 1 less line than what it says. So if it says 5 columns, I'm only going to draw 4 lines. And I'm going to try to make them even as I draw them out. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. How many boxes did I draw? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus 5, plus 5, plus 5. This is a multiplication problem. I'm adding the same number over and over again. I'm adding the number 5 4 times. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, I know 5 plus 5 is 10. And these two would be 10, so it would equal 20. So 5 times 4 is 20. Okay, draw a rectangle, and then we need to partition it into halves. A half means 2. Okay, so just 2 equal pieces. So when I'm drawing my line, I don't want to do it way over here. Those wouldn't be equal. Okay, we need to go right in the middle as best as we can, so that way they're about the same size. All right, that's our work for today. I will see all of your work on Friday.